Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to mute words in your video in CapCut. So let's get started. Click on a clip that you want to extract from, or if you already have an edited video, this will work as well. So we're going to click on the clip and then scroll until we find extract audio. So we're going to keep going until we find extract audio right at the bottom. Click on that. Now we have successfully extracted the audio. I don't know why my video is doing that. I'm going to bring it back down. And so now that we have our audio extracted, we're going to zoom in. And let's say we want to mute this part right over here. All we have to do is press on it, click split, and then we can just delete it right over there. What else we can do instead of deleting it is we can click on it, and then we can click volume and then decrease the volume all the way down, press the check mark, and then now you have successfully muted or took out words from your CapCut video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.